से सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे सिल्वर टच स्टेक अप्रूव 1:5 स्टॉक सब डिविजन एंड 1:1 बोनस इशू। Silver Touch Stake has the approval to measure corporate action stock subdivision in 1:5 ratio and a bonus issue in 1:1 ratio. The subdivision will split its existing share into 5 shares, while the bonus issue will provide one free share for every share held. These measures aim to improve stock liquidity and reward existing shareholders. Silver Touch Stake has announced significant corporate restructuring measures that will impact its shareholding structure and provided enhanced value to investors. Stock subdivisional details. The company has approved a stock subdivision into the ratio of 1:5, which represented a substitutional split of existing share. Under this agreement, each current share held by investor will be subdivided into 5 shares, effectively increasing the total number of shares outstanding while proportionally reducing the face value per share. Corporate action subdivision ratio 1:5 impact each share split 1:5 share. Bonus issue ratio 1:1. Bonus impact 1 free share per existing share. Bonus issue announcement. Simultaneously, Silver Touch Stake has approved a bonus issue in the ratio of 1:1. This means shareholder will receive one additional share for every share they currently hold, effectively doubling their shareholding without any additional investment required from their side. Combined impact on shareholder. The dual corporate action will significantly alter the shareholding pattern for existing investors. The stock subdivision will improve liquidity by reducing the per share price, making the stock more accessible to retail investors. The bonus issue serves as a reward to existing shareholders, demonstrating the company's commitment to sharing value with the investor base. This corporate restructuring measures that topically indicate the management confidence in the company future prospect and aim to enhance trading liquidity in the stock market.